Welcome to the Arabic Alphabet, Part 1.
The Arabic alphabet is the Arabic script as it is codified for writing the Arabic language. It is written from right to left in a cursive style and includes 28 letters. Many letters look similar but are distinguished from one another by dots above or below their central part. These dots are an integral part of a letter, since they distinguish between letters that represent different sounds. The Arabic letters transliterated as B and T have the same basic shape, but B has one dot below, while T has two dots above. In this lesson, we learned that the Arabic alphabet contains 28 letters, Arabic is written from right to left, and dots are an integral part of a letter.
Welcome to the Arabic Alphabet, Part 2.
Welcome to the Arabic alphabet names and the transliteration. Repeat after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو and ya. In this lesson, we have looked at the names and transliteration of the Arabic alphabet letters, with transliteration being the fact of changing letters or words into corresponding characters of another alphabet or language, here between Arabic and English.